Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Alhamdulillah ta'ala, we have finished 14 chapters of Quran Foundation course. In today's lesson, we are about to start lesson number 15, which is about Al-Maddul Lazim. Maddul Lazim. So let me tell you about the Maddul Lazim first, and then inshallah we would start learning the letters in those words which are actually having Maddah Lazim, and we're gonna practice our rule of Maddah Lazim there. So first of all, as we learned Mad sign and Mad letters before, and today in today's video we're gonna start al Maddah Lazim. So Maddah Lazim, whenever Maddah letters Alif, Waw and Ya, whenever Maddah letters, they are followed by sukoon sign, which we have just finished in our previous lesson. Maddah, if sukoon, in simple words, you can say if sukoon sign comes after Maddah letters, so Maddah Lazim must be done at Maddah letters. For example, if there is Alif, or let's take Ya, or let's take Wow. If you are having Alif, in that particular situation, you are having sukoon sign after that. So you have to do Maddah Lazim our Alif. And Maddah Lazim is stretching the Maddah letters for 5 to 6 Alif, for 5 to 6 seconds. Right? Let me say it again. Whenever sukoon sign comes after any of Maddah letters, Alif, Waw and Ya, so Maddah Lazim must be done. And Maddah Lazim is something which we stretch a sound of Maddah letter for 6 seconds, for 6 Alif. Right? So here we go, and we have some examples from Maddah Lazim, and we would do those examples, and it would make that rule more vivid and clear for you, inshallah ta'ala. Let's repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. All right, this one. ضاد ألف لام مد فتحة ضال and we already learned that thing. Shadda sign represents 2 letters, and one of them is carrying sukoon sign always. Right? So we are having lam here twice. One of them is having sukoon sign, and the second one is having fathatain, double fatha here, tanween. So lam sukoon is coming after alif madda here, because you see alif, and before alif we are having fatha. So that makes alif madda. So we are having alif madda, and after that there is lam with sukoon sign. So we have to do al-Maddah Lazim. So we are stretching that alif for 6 seconds. Right? Dallan. Like that. Next one. Dal, alif, ba, mad, fatha, dab. Ba, fatha, ba. دابة تا double كسرة دابة حاء ألف جيم مد فتحة حاج جيم فتحة جا حاجك كاف فتحة كا حاجك. Right? We are stretching that alif, and we are doing that Maddah Lazim. We are stretching it. We are prolonging alif for 6 seconds, for 6 alif, for 6 haraka, you would say. Ha, alif, jim, mad, fatha, haj. Jim, wow, dhamma, ju. Haju. Kaf, fatha, ka. Hajjuka. Hajjuka. Now without spellings. ضالا دابة حاجك حاجوك. Next line. لام فتحة لا ضاد ألف لام مد فتحة ضال لام واو ضمة لو لا ضالو نون فتحة نا لا ضالون. That is waw madda here because it's having dhamma before it. Next one. Wow fatha wa lam and dad, they are connected. Alif lam, and that alif is, they are silent. So lam dad fatha lad walad ضاد ألف لام مد فتحة ضال لام يا كسر لي ولا الضالين نون فتحة نا ولا الضالين همزة فتحة أ تا ضمة حاء ألف جيم مد فتحة حاج جيم واو نون مد ضمة نو جيم نون مد ضمة جون نون يا كسرة ني أتحاجوني. We are having that Maddah Lazim twice here in this word, at alif and at noon as well. Juni. You see, we are having waw madda, and after that we had noon sukoon. So we have to do Maddah Lazim. We have to stretch it for 6 seconds. Now without spellings. La ضالون ولا الضالين أتحاجوني. Next line. واو فتحة و لام ألف فتحة لا ولا Alif madda. Alif is having fatha before it, so we have to stretch it for 1 second. Wala, like that. Wala. Ta fathata. Ha. Dad. Mad. Standing fatha. Had. Dad waw damadu. Wala tahadu. Noon fathana. ولا تحاضون. Here we are having standing fatha. So actually the standing fatha is alif madda, and that standing fatha is representing alif madda, right? And that is, you can say alif madda. That alif madda is, we are having that alif madda, but we are not having its own actual shape. We are having it, but we have standing fatha, and that standing fatha represents alif madda. So we have to do Maddah Lazim here. We have to stretch it. وَلَا تَحَاضُّونَ, like that. Wow, صاد فتحة صاد فا مد standing fatha صاف fa standing fatha fa والصافات تا كسرتي والصافات. Got it? Okay. جيم ألف مد فتحة جاء همزة فتحة جاء تا صاد تا صاد كسرة طس جاءت صاد ألف خا مد فتحة صاخ جاءت الصاخ خا فتحة خا جاءت الصاخة تا ضمة جاءت الصاخة. Got it? Next one. Okay, that line without spelling. Third line without spellings. ولا تحاضون والصافات جاءت الصاخة صاخة. And this mad is not mad lazim, so we have to stretch it for 4 haraka, for 4 saakin, for 4 alif. So جاءت الصاخة, and that is mad lazim. We have to stretch it. The second one, we have to stretch it for 6 alif, for 6 haraka, for 6, seconds. fa fatha fa همزة كسرة إي فإي ذال ألف فتحة ذا فإذا فإذا ألف is ألف مادة جيم ألف مد فتحة جاء همزة فتحة جاء. This is not مد لازم. تا طا كسرة تط تط. First one is light, second one is bold. جاءت طا ألف ميم مد فتحة طام مد لازم. جاءت الطام ميم فتحة ما جاءت الطامة meme. We should do gunna here. We should hold that sound because of meme or meme shadda. So whenever meme have shadda, meme has shadda, meme and noon have shadda sign, we have to do gunna, and gunna is holding the sound for a file for 1 second. تلام ضمة فإذا جاءت الطامة كاف با ضمة كب فإذا جاءت الطامة الكب را standing فتحة را فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى. Got it? This is how we can do Maddah Lazim. It's so simple. Whenever Maddah letters are followed by noon sukoon, followed by a sukoon sign having letter, so we are supposed to do Maddah Lazim, our Maddah letters, whatever they are, alif, vav, and ya. And Maddah Lazim is stretching the sound of Maddah letters for 6 alif, for 6 haraka, or for 6 second. Right? So as we did dabbatin, like that. I hope you got the point, and I hope you got the Madd Lazim. And that was our lesson 15. And inshallah ta'ala, lesson 16 gonna be our last letter. And in that letter, inshallah, we're gonna learn rules of Noon Sukoon, Noon Sakina, inshallah. And That's it. That was Maddah Lazim. And practice, watch and practice, and inshallah ta'ala, if you people have any question about Maddah Lazim or any of the Arabic rule, any of the tajweed rule, so mention your question in comment section below. See you inshallah next session. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.